everybody. I'm going to talk about accounting equation. If you know mathematical equation, this is similar to it. Okay, what we are concerned about equation is that whatever on the left hand side is going to be equal on the right hand side. Okay, in this accounting equation, the main accounting items are asset, capital, and liability. So if we put this item into the accounting equation, then we are going to have asset on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have capital plus liability. Okay, what is asset? Okay, asset is something that the business owns, and it can be divided into current asset and non-current asset. Okay, what about liability? Liability is what the business owes. And again, it can be divided into current liability and non-current liability. Okay, capital. What is capital? Okay, capital is owner's equity. This is what the owner of the business contributed to the business. So if we go back to this accounting equation, okay, when we bring the liability to this side, then we can have asset minus liability is equal to capital. Or we can bring the capital to the asset side. So asset minus capital will give liability. So whatever it is, the two sides, whether it's the left hand side or the right hand side, it must always be equal to the opposite side. Okay, in accounting equation, what is meaningful is when we have in this form or in this form. Yeah. Okay, this is what we say basic accounting equation. Okay, the accounting equation can be expanded further. For instance, let's say when the business carry out their operation, they are going to create revenue. But this revenue will have to incur some expenses. So let's look at this accounting equation. R stands for revenue, E stands for expense. Yeah. Right? R revenue, E expense. And the difference between these two will give profit, which is part of the owner's equity. Ignore the drawing first, yeah? So if we expand that further, then we are going to have asset is equal to capital plus revenue minus expense plus liability. So this revenue minus expense is actually profit, and the symbol for profit is pi symbol. So the profit is added to capital because, as I have mentioned just now, it's part of the owner's equity. Profit is part of the owner's equity. So that's why we are going to add to the capital. Okay, when the business is profitable, the owner would like to take some of the profit that he has made, yeah, because he would like to use this for his personal expenses. So Whatever that he takes out from the business, that is known as drawing.